Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send emojis in Ludo King. In order to send emojis in Ludo King chat, first of all, go ahead and launch open Ludo King application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page, tap the social icon at the bottom. Now go ahead and find a chat where you want to send an emoji, and once you're inside the chat section, go ahead and tap on the little yellow SpongeBob kind of an icon at the bottom left. Now select the emoji that you'd like to send to your friend. A menu of preset emojis will appear on the screen. Some of the emoji will require coins in order to send it to your friends. Simply select the emoji that you want to send, which will cost you some coins, or it may have any other prices as well. And right after you do that, your emoji will be displayed in the chat window immediately. So that is how you can easily send emoji in a chat on Ludo King. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.